More in the window than
the install?
yeah.
Yeah, I didn't know what was happening. It was all behind the
Locking the place, don't they?
siding and behind the,
Okay.
but it didn't touch the interior at all. It just was-
Exterior.
Hammer drive.
She
I got it.
had
No, I got it. You can
like
just.
replaced from under the window and then,
There's a lot going on in this room this year.
oh my gosh, yeah.
I'm going to look at the deck over here, and sort of that's a total remodel, the old house, and then the new one.
Busy.
Yeah, how's your dad's house coming? He's gotta be out pretty soon, doesn't he?
He's moving this weekend.
He was supposed to call me.
He's supposed to do a lot of
He's
stuff.
too busy.
You never passed the building inspection.
He didn't. I told him to get me in there before he moves in. I told him to call me
He's
this
not
week.
moving